I'm responsible for the integration of our AI dashcam solutions. This means, as part of my role, I work closely with customers to understand their dashcam requirements in order to build a comprehensive solution. Although use cases may vary, several benefits of AI dashcams are often highlighted during my interactions with customers. The most significant of these is enhanced safety. AI dashcams improve driver safety by detecting potential hazards like lane departure, collisions, or driver fatigue. By providing early warnings, they help to prevent accidents. The second benefit is improved incident documentation. AI dashcams record essential details prior and during collisions, aiding quick and fair insurance claim settlements. Another important benefit is comprehensive driver coaching. AI dashcams analyze driver behavior and offer personalized coaching, promoting safer driver habits and reducing fuel consumptions. And the last benefit I want to mention is lower insurance premiums. AI dashcams reduce insurance premiums by promoting safe driving practices and creating a positive risk profile. So these are some of the benefits that I wanted to share with you. The bottom line is that AI dashcams will continue to improve safety and efficiency metrics in fleet management.